Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Find My is grayed out for you. So there's a few things this could cause this. So first of all, you want to go back to your settings. And on your settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see privacy and security. Go there. Then you will see location services. You want to choose that and you want to make sure that location services are enabled. Once it will be enabled, your problem with Find My should be fixed. Now, another thing this could be is content and privacy restrictions. So you want to go to screen time. On screen time, you want to scroll down until you see content and privacy. And from here, you can either turn that off or you can just leave it and make sure that everything, especially location services, is selected allow. Now you also want to scroll down until you will see passcode and Face ID, and you want to make sure that it is set on allow. Now, if that's not the issue, the last thing this could be is Face ID and passcode. So you want to go ahead and press on it, then enter your passcode. And after this, you want to scroll down until you will see stolen device protection. And you first need to go ahead and turn that off. Once you will turn that off, you can go back and go to Find My. Press on Find My, and now as you can see, you can go ahead and turn that off. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.